Breaking news where shots were fired at a Roscoe's Chicken and Waffles restaurant.
TMZ is reporting that rapper PNB Rock was hit and he was rushed to the hospital. Gil Levis is overhead in Sky 5. Gil.
Sharon, Pedro, we're over that restaurant right now at this small shopping center here. This is off of Manchester and Main. Now, LAPD got the call at 1:23 this afternoon of shots fired at the Roscoe's Chicken and Waffles restaurant here at this intersection. When they arrived, they did find one person shot inside the restaurant. LA City Fire is telling us that they did transport one person. The condition of that person is unknown. They took that person to a local hospital. But again, the TMZ is reporting that it is rapper PNB Rock, and the condition of that man is unknown right now, but I can tell you that LAPD just towed a vehicle out of the Roscoe's parking lot, said to be the rapper's vehicle. But again, a large response here by the LAPD as they investigate this shooting. That's the latest overhead in Sky 5. I'll send it back to you in the studio.
We will continue to check in with you, Gil. Thank you.